This is the RTP-GO portable and collapsible DJ totem stand for PA speakers and lights. It's available in two colors of black and white and comes with a carry travel bag, black and white scrims for two different looks, non-slip EVA foam pads that you can attach to the top plate to add more stability, and an attachable 35mm pole mount so you can place your PA speakers on top of it. The RTP-GO totem stands are perfect for DJs, musicians, performers, event and party halls, houses of worship, and for many other applications. Years ago, we developed our original RTP-32 totem stands, and those are still some of the most popular in the world. We got feedback from many DJs who love the product, but just wish they could have had them collapse smaller without having to disassemble the unit. That is where the RTP-GO comes in. It functions exactly the same as the RTP-32, but this one is more collapsible and portable. Essentially, you have one pole that collapses into another pole, making it more compact and easy to travel with. Setup and breakdown takes just minutes and requires no tools. To set up, first remove all of the pieces from the travel bag. Then put the two base plates together like this and fit the two side beams over the built-in screws. Then take the small braces and feed them over the screws like this. Now you're going to take 4 hand tightening knobs and screw them into place until everything is secure. Then it's going to be the same with the top plate. Feed the built-in screws through the side beams, place the two braces over the screws like this, and then tighten it all into place with the hand tightening knobs. Raising and lowering the totem is simple using our pull and twist pin system, and you can set the totem to multiple different heights between the range of 39 to 70 inches. At this point you can attach the EVA non-slip foam pads to the top plate. If you're using this totem for a moving head or effect light, you can leave the attachable PA pole mount off. But if you want to add a PA speaker on top of your totem, you can attach the pole mount like this, tightening it into place with a hand knob. The top plate has this opening at the top to run any cables from your speaker through alongside the totem for a cleaner look. You can even use the included Velcro strips to secure your cables to the side beams of the stand. Now we can place one of the included scrims over the totem stand like so to complete our look. If you use the white scrim, you can actually place a part light in the center of the totem like this for an illuminating effect which looks great alongside a DJ facade. The RTP-GO is a super portable, adjustable, and compact DJ totem stand that is definitely going to add to the ambiance of your setup wherever you take it. So if you're looking for a portable and collapsible DJ totem stand for your PA speakers and lights, look no further than the RTP-GO from Rockville.